What's up? We're here at the World Trade Center, Manhattan, New York City. The weather's amazing. Let me show you the weather right now. 82 degrees, Financial District, Manhattan, New York. And it is May 17th, 2026. And it's like 6:45. And we're gonna stroll around here. A lot of good stuff going on. Let's take a look outside for a while here. The weather's so nice. It's been a while since I strolled around outside. We might take a peek inside too, but the weather's amazing out here right now. No humidity. Feels great to be back in Manhattan, New York City. It's walking season right now, so we're at a great time of the year. Summer's right around the corner, and we're kind of experiencing summer right now. This is like a summer tease, but it's getting warmer, so I think the weather's not going to get too much cool, not real cold right now, like it was up and down for a while. Such nice vibes here today. As you see, the sun is right there. It's not about to set right away, dusk, but we're, in the late afternoon.
Yes, I got mine. It's better than what I would have got. Oh my God, I thought I snapped my board.
I'm trying to stay out of the sunlight here. Oh, my bad. I didn't know. Taking a picture, I didn't know. That's wild. I didn't know they were taking a picture. Okay, so it's like a party out here today. I really like it here. This is probably, you know what? I'm trying to figure out my favorite place in Manhattan. There's a few of them. I really like Koreatown. I like Chinatown, Times Square, Bryant Park. They're all good. But you know what? To me, this might be the most relaxing because it's right near the train. Super low stress. Easy to get to the train. This is a nice spot. This is definitely a nice spot. You can like hang out here like all day, I think. Kind of. Yeah, so let's just hang out here a bit. I love the light, how the light looks right now. Because the sun is not set, but it's like in a good spot that the light is hitting pretty cool. From a photography, filmmaker standpoint, it's kind of cool because it's like pretty bright. The sun's not in this, like up in the top of the sky. It's definitely pretty cool because it's like pretty bright here. Memorial Museum. So yeah, it's been a while since I walked around here. Let's go this way. Wow, so peaceful here. Yeah, and this is the this is the memorial for the Twin Towers. So yeah, I've definitely been here, but it's been a while since I've been back here. And yeah, it feels so peaceful here. And yeah, much respect and prayers to all the families who were affected, and everybody were affected by that quite a big bit of time ago. I'm sure just about everyone can remember where they were when it happened, if they knew about it. It's one of those things. Okay, so this park is pretty cool, pretty big. Pretty big park. So yeah. Very peaceful here. Performing arts. Okay, let's stroll around here. This is such a nice place. They really did a great job with this place right here, New York. When you walk here, it feels so soft. The way they have the ground, the marble, I guess it's kind of like marble stone. It almost feels like a carpet, which is pretty unique, very unique. It feels like I'm walking on a soft, you know, like when you walk on a gym mat, it feels like a gym mat. Maybe it's my sneakers a little bit too, I don't know. I don't think I've ever ventured into this far here. So this is maybe a first time walking through this part. I'm not sure, I think so. I don't remember walking through this part before, so I think this is the first time. Oh, okay, so there's one over here too. Oh, okay. Okay. So I've definitely walked. Of course, I've seen one of these, but I've never ventured onto both of these. So this is the first time. Wow. Wow. Very, very sad day in America. New York City.